Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a shallow platter. So here I've fast forwarded through the centering stage for this piece. What we need to do is bring down the clay once it's centered as close as possible to the wheel. I'm bringing it down to about 1 inch, a little bit over 1 inch thickness. This is so we can have enough clay to support the platter while we're making it, and also so that we have enough clay to then create a foot for the platter once it's dry. Here I'm using a sponge to help open the clay. The sponge allows for a more even base to be created, and it also at the same time helps to compress the base of the piece while we are opening. So with a rib, I am now smoothing out the piece, and at the same time compressing the base of the platter. Now with the help of a sponge, I am going to apply some pressure with my right hand towards the center of the piece, while at the same time lifting upwards and out to create the lip for the platter. You will notice that I am using my left hand to help guide and shape the lip while I am applying pressure with my right hand. So now that I am happy with the shape and thickness for the lip, I am using a yellow rib to further smooth out and remove any unevenness on the inside of a plate and shape it nicely. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. So once this piece is trimmed and fired, I'll be posting a picture on my Instagram and Facebook pages. If you are not following me yet, then please follow, and that way you'll be notified once the piece is ready. Until then, have fun!